Today I want to show you how we can install a Colorbond fence in the side of the boundary, and also we install one timber slipper under the fence. And the first is to screw the first C-post Colorbond. This is a Colorbond Color Max Monument color. It will attach to the wall. The first one, first I put it to the line of the wall. This is a zero boundary property, and then I mark it and mark to the wall. Then I use a diamond drill to make a hole on the brick, and then roll plug, I tap it by hammer down, and then I screw these to the wall to hold it. Then I need to install the last one at the end in this post, that one. Then I set the line and continue to install the other post in the line of the fence. So guys, I screw two posts together, two C posts for the middle post. As you can see, it's lined together, two posts, and then screw it in a zigzag shape. It's more stronger than straight. I use 6 to 8 screws through the post and attach two posts together. This is 2.4, and also I mark it inside of the C post 1.8 for the rail and 195 for a slipper. The other part going to the concrete to the hole. Also I mark it in the side because I set the line to 110 centimeter from top of the fence of the line. This is for the straight part, it's coming up to there, and then we install it as a slope going that side, like the other side. That comes straight and then a slope to the top of the fence. I install the last one and the first one, and then run the string line as a level, and then continuing up to around there in a level, and then a slope down to that part. So guys, as I said, it's the string line set to 110 millimeter from top of the fence, and we're following all through the post to the straight line, and then we install the slope. This is the other post. Each post should be installed by setting the rail, because it's make mistake if you just measure it and dig a hole. When you want to set it, it's going that way or there. Need to be set by the rail first to find the hole area, and then dig the hole 400 to 600 deep. It depends in installing the slipper under or not, and using two concrete for the hole post. Also check the level to the line, just close to the line, don't touch it and don't move the string line, just close as much as you can, but don't touch the string line. And also check the space to touch it, don't touch too much, too tight. A bit gapped should be fine. It's easy to install the panels later. And also the hole should be, the post will be in the middle of the hole and concrete all around it. We add the water first, and then concrete, and then water, and then other concrete, and then shake it by the steel bar all around to mix by the water and fill up the gap and compact it around the post to hold it. install the fence, first I install the bottom rail through the post to the inside of the C post, and then I do one screw in the side, in the middle actually, yeah, in the middle, a screw to the timber to stay there and it's not moving off the timber later. That's a screw. It's 10 centimeter screw. It's drilled to the post, to the timber under, and then we install the fence sheet on top of it. So guys, to install the sheet, first we're adding the sheet to the down rail. As you can see, one sheet is overlapping the other one, and then going through this one as well. This it's overlapping on the other one, and then we install the top rail. The first need to be in the post, and the other side should be higher, and then start from here to put set the sheets through the top rail, and then we can fix it. I will do that and show you later. So guys, after set up the post, we install the fence in the angle side. I'll show you how it was the process. First, for this, because we have a different height of the, actually the height is same, but it's going to the angle. I fixed first the rail and screw to it, then I find the angle for the fence sheet, and then I cut the bottom side and top side. This panels was 2.1, and then I cut it to 1.8. As you can see, that's one of them, it's cut off. It's going like that, and the top one as well. But this line is 1.8 and 1.8 as well. Then install together, it's locked. There is a joint, it's locked together, and lay it. Then we install the top rail. Before installing the first rail, we install the timber, and then I screw the timber to the post, galvanize the screw for the both side, and also when we installed the rail, I screwed the rail through the top timber, and then we install it and screw the fence rail to the post, that side and all side going through. Two sheets will join together. I'll show you. This is a joint, you can see it's going and lock to each other. This is one, each 2.4 have a three fence sheet. Yeah, this is a joint, you can see it, and this is a joint. Each panel I think is about 800 millimeter, and the height is 1.8. We're going top like the other side to following that side as well. And this is a Colorbond fence. From here we have to go straight, and I didn't install the timber for that part because the wheelbarrow going and the access to the backyard. But for this, you can see I mark it 1.8, and then we install the timber to the post and screw it from the side. Yeah, and this one and the first one. Today I install the first rail, the down one, and then install the sheet and top rail, then going through, and we do that one at the end. یکی دیگه. Okay, we check and we put one by one. Just make sure all in one side, continuing all. The shape of the sheet, it's just following one side. Break the zone. Break. بالا اون برشو پوش کن بیا تو اینجا. این پوستر یه ذره بکش بیرون. خوب نمیشه. اوکی بعدی.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that